finish up over here, and this is the culmination of the day's work that you have all done. Usually the minister is presided by the Tukupu or an elder who will stand up and say a few words on and everything is passed on to her, and she can do all the business after that. And we are honoured to have the Reverend Dr. Reverend, I think that's how it goes, Dr. Reverend Waioni, to be here with us, and also Niue, and also Niue, and everyone that are here. And I say on behalf of our family and our any church, thank you, and I will pass it on very shortly to the blessings. But we, as Danny said, this is the first time. It's never been the first time. You were born with it. Your parents were born with it. We're all born with it. So it's never been the first time as Pacific Islanders. Your husband, Billy, he was born with it. Mami, the PIC, and all the other churches we are involved in. We all have the same upbringing. And so this is just part of it. Once he's moved on, and then you guys have moved on, and then you're doing it. So the progression goes down like that. We as parents, you as parents, the children will be parents one day, and everyone else will be, that's how it goes. So today is just another one of those experiences. For me, it's experience. It's the experience that we've learned. For you guys, just remember this and watch all this and listen to the minister and listen to the elders, because one day, who knows, you'll be in your auntie, your mum's shoes to continue on the heat of the family. But we like you giving our name, and I'll hand it on to Penny, to Reverend. I always introduce her as a title does. So she's the Dr. Reverend Penny Waioni. Whakawelai, tuku ati ki ngā nei, ka whakaue ta mamatua tupuna e tau tū, because we are all tupuna, I'm a tupuna. Sorry, I'm only 70, so I'm not really a tupuna yet. I will be one day. No, I'm just kidding. I am getting on, so hopefully that I will great kids call me a tupuna, they all be there. But, ue ki ni tua whitau kua whuatu ngāho, ki tuku mai me hauai ki ni hawa tau whanau, not only through family with Danny and Lily, but also through your work as a minister of the church. So thank you for giving up your time and be here to do this part of our gathering. Ko wela hi tuku atu kia koe ko i tuo.